Welcome to our channel. If you've purchased a Tesla or are preparing to take delivery, follow these step-by-step instructions to create your Tesla account. Step 1. Go to the Tesla website at tesla.com or download the Tesla app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. On the website, click Account in the top right corner, then click Sign Up. In the app, tap Create Account. Step 3. Enter your email address and create a strong password with at least 8 characters, including uppercase, lowercase, and numbers. Step 4. Enter your first name and last name exactly as they appear on your driver's license. Step 5. Enter your phone number, including country code. This will be used for two-factor authentication and important notifications. Step 6. Click or tap Create Account to proceed. Step 7. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Tesla. Open the email and click the verification link. Step 8. Once verified, log into your Tesla account using your email and password. Step 9. Complete your profile by adding your home address, which will be used for navigation and charging recommendations. Step 10. If you've already ordered a Tesla, link your order by entering your reservation number or VIN. Step 11. Set up two-factor authentication for added security by going to Account Settings and enabling this feature. Step 12. Once you take delivery of your Tesla, you'll receive instructions to add your vehicle to your account using the app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.